때도 없이 시무룩하.
First, grab a nail cutter. Step 1. Cleaning. Clear off all dirt from your nails. Step 2. Shape. Then, make your nails the shape you like most. Step 3. Cleaning hand. Take a slice of lemon, and you're using face wash. Then take a bowl and some hot water. Then squeeze the lemon juice and few drops of face wash. Mix it. Then dip your hand 5 minutes. Then take the lemon and rub your hand 5 minutes. After that, wash your hands with clean water. Step 4. Scrubbing. Then take a scrubber. Take a few amount. Apply on your hand. Massage 5 minutes. It helps to clean dead skin. Clean your hand with water. Step 5. Mask. Take a bowl, 1 spoon besan, 1 spoon Chandan powder, 1 spoon Multani meaty, 1 spoon aloe vera gel, 3 spoon rose water. Mix it. Make a paste. Then apply on your hand. Leave it 5 minutes for dry. After that, scrub and massage your hand. Wash your hands with clean water. Take a bowl, some hot water, and 1 spoon Dettol liquid. Mix it and keep your hand 5 minutes in the bowl. Take a toothbrush. Scrub on hand gently for 5 minutes. Wash your hands clean water. You can see the difference between to hand. Then apply your nail paint.